Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, somebody's giving me a grumpy face already this morning. Who's out there giving me grumpy faces? Hey, it's Star Wars Day. It's May the 4th. I thought maybe you would want to start the day with a little bit of Chewbacca playing guitar because, that's sounds like a good way to roll. Anyways, I'm pretty sure that's how Chewbacca would play the guitar. Can I give you that, Audrey? Thank you. Hey, Reagan, can you hit that pedal so it doesn't make that weird sound? I got my road crew in here today, and that's right, it's May the 4th. It's Star Wars Day. I've got my Chewbacca onesie on, which is nice because it's kind of chilly outside this morning. I'm not outside, but I've been out there. Interestingly, I just noticed, but if I covered up my Chewbacca, whatever this thing is, like my utility belt thing here, I could pull off a pretty good old Luke Skywalker. When he's old and living on that planet by himself. I got just about the right amount of gray in my beard right now to be old Luke. Well, anyways, good morning, Achieve. It is Monday. It's May the 4th. I see a bunch of people jumping on, but my phone's a little bit farther away from me this morning, so I could rock out on the guitar, and I can't actually read who's on there, but I can see some people joining. Let's go ahead and start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. So I should have probably made myself sound like a Wookiee during the Pledge of Allegiance, huh? That would have been way better. I don't know if I can do that Wookiee voice this early in the morning. We have a birthday today. Noah, it's your birthday. That's Noah D. It's your birthday. Happy birthday today. I hope you have a great day celebrating. Our virtue this week is creativity. So here's what I was thinking. I want to see some of the creative work that you guys are doing at home. I want to see some example of some of the artwork. I've seen some people posting some pretty cool things on Facebook, and I want to see even more of that this week. And I noticed that it looks like Noah might have just popped on here. Noah, I was just wishing you a happy birthday a minute ago. I hope you have a great day today. Happy birthday. So here's the definition of creativity. Creativity is the power of imagination. Creativity is a way to develop your special talents. It's seeing something in a new way, finding a different way to solve a problem. Creativity is using your imagination to bring something new into the world. So I know you guys have been working on some new stuff. I saw some really interesting things over the last couple of weeks. I saw third grade doing some pretty cool salt artwork. I still don't understand how that works. I need to watch a video about that or learn about that. That one looked really creative. I've seen some people doing some painting and some artwork, but I want you to share any creative thing you do with me this week. For example, sing a song and record it, or do a dance, or show me your artwork. Show me what science experiments you have going on. I know at our house we sometimes have random science experiments that are going on out in the backyard or in the refrigerator or in the freezer. That seems to be a popular science experiment. What happens if you freeze? Any random thing that you find or any weird mixture that you make. That's a great way to show creativity. I want to see all of those creative things that you're working on this week. Also, as the week goes on, we'll talk about how creativity can benefit you as a person, and also how creativity can help you to be a world changer and make our world a better place. So I hope you guys have a great week this week. Show some creativity. I love that today is Star Wars Day. Second grade Mrs. Wright. At our house, we got totally inspired by your theme week this week. We're really excited about it. It actually inspired me to dig out my Chewbacca onesie. Also, I think it goes great with this virtue of creativity because they did some really creative things on those Star Wars movies, including plot lines, different ideas, and also all the creativity that they had to use back in the original Star Wars movies when the special effects were really just little models that they made and videoed. So anyways, you guys have a great day. I hope you have an awesome Star Wars day. And happy birthday again, Noah. Reagan, hit that button. Audrey, you can go ahead and turn the camera off. Push right there where it says finish.